Introducing the Fluke 1670 series Multifunction Installation Testers. When you need to verify the safety of electrical installations in domestic, commercial, or industrial facilities, according to standard IEC 60364-6 and AS3000, the Fluke 1670 series has you covered with a simplified setup, faster testing, and easier reporting. Designed with your busy workload in mind, the Fluke 1672, 1673FC, and 1674FC set the new standard for integrated installation testing solutions. Accelerate your installation testing efficiency with customizable auto-test automatic test sequences that run through an entire installation test sequence at the touch of a button, including line tests, trip tests, RCD tests, insulation tests, and continuity tests. An integrated help function provides a visual connection guide for easy setup, and with onboard automatic measurement validation, user-defined limit warnings, and an immediate visual pass or fail indication, you can be confident in the data you collect. The new streamlined touchscreen interface, ergonomic design, and intuitive rotary dial make it easy to navigate the simplified menus and start testing faster. With the Fluke 1674FC, you can also access advanced protection features, including an insulation pretest to protect connected appliances, an insulation monitoring device or IMD test to monitor the insulation status of EV charging stations before faults occur, and a surge protection device or SPD test to verify if circuits are capable of withstanding power or voltage surges. The Fluke 1673FC and 1674FC also offer a 6mA Type B RCD function for testing EV charging stations when used with the Fluke FEV300 EV charging station test adapter, or with the Fluke FEV350 EV charging station analyzer. With Fluke Connect, you can wirelessly view and share test results from your smartphone or PC, store and access measurement data from the cloud, and add photos or notes for additional documentation. Once you're done testing, Fluke's PreTest software allows you to generate reports on-site in just a few simple steps, with automatic report population and one-touch reporting, so you can finalize and invoice your inspection at the time of service. Fluke 1670 series multifunction installation testers help you test up to 30% faster and reduce the time you spend on documentation and reporting by up to 50%, so you can focus on the work that matters. Learn more at fluke.com.au.